Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful skills to improve your speaking, and that is listening. Many people think that speaking fluently comes only from practice, but the truth is, fluency grows from good listening. If you want to sound natural, confident, and smooth, then you need to listen carefully to the way people use the language. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Listening builds vocabulary and patterns. When you listen a lot, your brain collects words and phrases without effort. You start to notice which words come together often. For example, you hear people say, "take a look," or "make a decision," again and again. So these word groups become natural for you. Later when you speak, you don't have to stop and translate. You just say the phrase because you already heard it many times. Listening also helps you understand sentence rhythm. You hear how native speakers join words, how they stress some sounds and drop others. This natural rhythm is Step 2. Listening trains pronunciation and accent. Another big point is pronunciation. When you only read words, you may not know how they sound. But when you listen, you hear the right sounds, the stress, the tone, and even the emotion behind words. Your ears guide your mouth. Think of babies. They listen for months before they speak. That listening shapes their accent. The same can happen for you. If you keep listening daily, your tongue starts to copy the sounds naturally. You do not have to force it. If you want to sound clear, listen to podcasts, watch movies, or hear people in conversation. Close your eyes sometimes and just focus on the sound. Later, when you practice speaking, repeat the same sounds. This connection between ear and mouth makes you fluent. Step 3. Important to contract is me. In this latest days of action, whatever, let's get a days started. Listening improves confidence and response speed. The last benefit is confidence. When you understand what others say, you don't feel nervous in a talk. You don't freeze. You can answer quickly because you already know the flow of the language. Fluid speaking is not only about producing words, it is also about reacting fast and smooth. Listening trains your brain to catch meaning and respond without long pauses. Imagine a tennis game. If you cannot see the ball, you cannot hit it well. In the same way, if you cannot catch words through listening, you cannot reply well. But once you listen a lot, you are ready for the ball and you hit back with the right words. So let's sum up. Listening is the key to fluency. It builds your vocabulary and patterns. It shapes your pronunciation, and it gives you confidence to respond fast. If you want to improve your speaking, start by listening more every day. Make it part of your routine. Listen to podcasts, songs, movies, or even simple talks around you. Soon, you will notice your speaking becoming smoother and more natural. Thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep speaking, and see you in the next video. So let's sum up.